Hey lovelies, I hope you are not tired of getting updates about airdrop projects and the like, because this is LayerEdge, and LayerEdge has stopped their like kind of stopped activities. Now this is one airdrop project that has so many glitches. Like everything you do here has a glitch. You have to like refresh the page and all that. So this is my LayerEdge, and you can see that this browser based node has stopped. This light node has stopped, and then this browser based node point, this is my own browser based node point. Let me know what's your own browser based node point. Then my CLI based node point here is showing this. Now I bought my CLI based node, but unfortunately I could not load it, or like, how will I put it, I could not update it till the end of this mining because of the glitch on this LayerEdge website. I could not load it. I kept trying it severally and it didn't load. There are people here who are gain about 3.18 points. Wow, and I'm just on 1.2 million points. So let me know what you've gotten. And then I usually come here to click on this. I'm doing this through my MetaMask. Yes, I'm doing this through my MetaMask. So on my MetaMask, I just came in here, and when I came in here, I clicked on this icon here, and then I search for this dashboard.layeredge.io. So I'm doing this on my MetaMask wallet. Then I clicked on these three burger signs here, those burger signs here, and I usually scroll down to this place here that usually shows this streak, and then I'll click on claim. I do this every day. I come here, so yeah, I'm just going to come here and click on claim. So once you click on claim, it's going to bring up a sign up message just like this, and then I'm going to come here and I'll click on confirm. I'm not sure if these points are being added anymore since the mining phase has ended. Then once you are through, just tap anywhere out of this box and to bring you back to the dashboard. So I usually do this every day before mining ended. So then if you still click on the same burger sign that is here, you click on the same burger sign that is here, you will see this option that shows tax. So click on the option here that shows tax here. You see the tax that is reflecting here, and then you're just going to click on it. Then I didn't mint an OG pledge pass. I didn't mint it. So if you minted yours, let me know what it was yours. Then I also did not mint a pledge pass. So this is a new tax that was added recently. Follow at LayerEdge on X. I'm going to click on this follow. Then I did this this run a browser based light node, and I also did this connect and verify your Twitter. Then this was the one I was trying to do that was giving me issues, and I was actually pained. So now I'm going to click on this follow LayerEdge on X, and then take me to my Twitter or X. I'm going to click on follow, and once I'm through, I'm going to go back, click on the back button of my device, and I click back and it brings me back here. I'm just going to try and refresh this page, and hopefully there's no glitch, because I think there's a glitch now. So because this is one site that has the highest form of glitch. Everything you click on results into a glitch. So I'm just going to reload this now, and hopefully this follow at LayerEdge will be allocated, that is, it will be completed. Okay, okay, let me check now to see if it's completed. See, it's not completed, so I think I'll have to do this over and over again to get completed. That's one of the challenges I had with this LayerEdge.io. add 7,000 points for my tax, and on like that. So there's practically nothing to do right now. I just need to wait for them to share the next information, so that we'll know what next we're going to be doing, like what action we need to take. So let me know in the comment section, what is your LayerEdge points? Let me know. Were you able to get your CLI? Were you able to do your proof? Were you able to do your tax? Or what were the challenges you faced when you were farming or mining LayerEdge? Let me know in the comment section. So that is all for me again for tonight. Thank you so much for watching. See you in another subsequent video. Bye for now.